Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing some shirts from Emory Ghost. Now, you know we're going to go over the look, the fit, the quality. You know I'm going to put it on, and I got to give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So I do have my pack right here. You feel me? I got my pack from Emory Ghost. And you know I'm always looking for new things, new shirts, new shoes, new jackets. And I was on Instagram and I came across this page, man. So I had to see what was cracking, man. I got my trusty box cutter, man. So you know the vibes, peel back gang. We're gonna give it a little slice, only a little slice, because this is a plastic bag. Let's go ahead and peel it back, man, and let's see. Ooh-wee. Now, you know I'm very big into my t-shirts. You know, my shirts gotta match the hat. Like, everything has to coordinate. The shirt gotta match the kicks, man. And so I wanted to show you what I picked up right here. So right here we do have my first shirt, and now these are 9-ounce shirts, so they should be pretty heavyweight. Let me go ahead and look. Oh yes, definitely you get that premium feel on this joint. Nice heavyweight. And you already know the vibes, man. Right here we got the Lionel Messi, man. Messi, some would say the best soccer player. I mean, I would say it's either him or Ronaldo. I love the colors on this one, so I'm gonna roll with Messi on this joint. But this is in his Argentina. This is his Argentina jersey and colors right here. Just a very clean shirt. All black, and like I said, it is heavyweight. Definitely can feel the quality on this, man. All black, which means it will be able to go with a lot of different items. I already know I got some kicks to go with this, and the graphic is very good quality. I'm not sure if this is like direct to garment or what, but it definitely feels like, yeah, this is good quality right here, man. Possible screen print, man. But yeah, this shirt right here is some heat. Let me go ahead and throw this on, and let me show you what I would wear with this shirt. All right, and right here I do have this shirt on, and I mean, as you can see, it definitely looks good. The quality is A1 on this joint. I mean, the graphic is in there. It's not like it's gonna peel or anything like that. Went ahead, threw it on with those Jordan 1s, because I mean, it's always more fun with the Jordan 1. Go ahead and turn right here. We got the all black on the back. We got the black Nike woven shorts, keeping it very clean. Hat club hat with that royal blue. And I mean, it's just an overall good look, man. The fit, definitely clean. This is something you can get off during the summer. Something you could even wear during the fall, depending on what the temperatures are in your area, man. But definitely very pleased with this shirt, man. I can't wait to rock this joint. All right, and just as a heads up, right now they are doing 2 shirts for 60 bucks, man. So you know I love a good deal, so I had to grab 2 joints, you feel me? So let me go ahead and grab my second shirt, man. And they got so many different designs. Like, they got you know, they got rappers, they got basketball players. They just dropped some new Pokemon joints. Those look pretty fire as well. But you know me, I'm a sports guy, man, so I had to get my second shirt. Come on, man. You see it, man. The Greek Freak. You can't go wrong with the big head t-shirt. Definitely some heat, man. We got the all black right here. Giannis Antetokounmpo, who I would say is the best player in the NBA right now. You know I love LeBron. The Joker does his thing, but offense and defense, nobody's topping the Greek Freak right now, man. Shirt definitely heavyweight. Quality is A1, man. But like I said, you can't go wrong. 2 for 60. Gotta grab 2. And matter of fact, I did DM them on Instagram. I'm gonna put their Instagram in my description, and I'll put a link to you know, the website where I got the shirts in the description. And I did hit them up, and they were able to hook your boy up with a code, so you can do 10% off if you just like buying 1. But I say grab 2, man. 2 for 60. You can't go wrong, because these are usually about like 35 a pop. So you already saving 10 bucks if you go that route, man. But yeah, you can't go wrong with the big head shirt. This is like the I don't want to say it's the like trend, but you know, you got your vintage shirts. The big head shirt is one of the best shirts out right now, man. So let me throw this on to show you how I would rock this joint. And right here, I do have the shirt on, and I mean, come on, man. This fit right here is too fire. I cannot front, man. We got the big face tee. We got the all white Air Max 97s, and this is just the way that you can brighten it up. We got the Essentials Fear of God shorts on. And you know, that brown kind of matches the brown skin in the face. Got the Colorado Buffaloes hat. I mean, definitely a super cool fit, man. Let me know which was your favorite outfit out of both of these. I will be getting more shirts from them. I already know. I saw a Shohei Ohtani and a Jalen Hurts that I gotta pick up, man. But don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.